So this is a water filter for my Samsung fridge. Model number RS6HA880S9. So compatible copy. So all it is activated carbon inside, and we'll get it fitted and see how good it is. So there we go. I'll put the install date on there as well, and then update the fridge. First thing to do is isolate the filter. So we have an on-off here. So now that's off, and then we'll unplug it. So remove the blue safety catch on the quick release, and then push the quick release in, and then that slides out. Push that in and then slide it out. That's quite hard to do one-handed. And there we go. And then the other end, make sure the pipe doesn't drop down below. Just hook it on here. And then remove the safety clip. So one red and one blue safety clip, and then push the catch in, and then quick release the pipe. There we go. So now that's removed, we need to prepare the new filter. And then there's a safety clip, blue and blue. Okay, you can hear the activated carbon in there. The other one is full of water, so it's not shaking. So put today's date on it, reminder sticker here, so May today's date is the 22nd, is it? 22nd. So it's not the reminder date, that's the install date. And it's 2024. (22nd of May, 2024). So now we need to fit the water in. The flow goes from bottom to top, and this is the flow in. So we push the pipe in and put one of the new locking clips in place, as we wouldn't want it to come undone. There you go. And then the pipe out, which goes to the fridge. Push that in, and then put the new locking clip in. And there we go. And then we have the install date there, and that's the direction of flow. Not forgetting to turn the flow back on. You can hear the water filling up the filter. A few bubbles coming out. Now what we need to do is run the fridge and get some water out to see if it's coming out black or not. So I keep my filter on the top of the cupboard, so I'll move the ladder out of the way and we can run some water. get the air bubbles out. And there we go. Nope, still a few bubbles, but no black. Now, the water is pretty clear. So the filters last 6 months, and we reset the fridge, tell the fridge that its filter has just got in, so then it's a 6-month countdown till we're reminded again. Okay, so now to reset the fridge. And then we go to Fridge Manager, and then water filter is clean, so we go to Settings, and then water filter is clean, and then we just press that so it comes up to the water filter, and then we hit the reset button. Is the filter still clean? Proceed, proceed. So now we have reset, and the install date is the 22nd of May 2024, and then in 6 months time it will remind me that I need a new one. I have a spare because I bought a pack of 2. Check out the link in the description or the QR code, and then you can get yourself compatible filters that are not as expensive. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.